The course history and comments are powerful tools for managing the learning process efficiently. They help teaching teams stay synchronized, track all updates, and maintain transparency throughout the course lifecycle. Comments serve as the main channel for internal communication within the team. They allow instructors and administrators to discuss workflow details, share ideas, store important notes, and resolve ongoing issues, all without leaving the platform. To leave a comment, go to the History tab in the selected course and type your message. You can add up to 5,000 characters and attach files of any format. Once uploaded, these files become available to all colleagues who have access to the course. This makes it easy to exchange resources and information, for example, regarding a new lesson or student progress. To view comments, open the History tab and select the Comments Only option. To keep the workspace organized, you can delete outdated comments, though system events in the history log cannot be removed. The course history functions as a detailed log that records all events related to the course. It allows you to track changes to the curriculum and monitor actions related to students. You can filter events by date, instructor, or event type to quickly find specific information. The history captures a wide range of actions, including the creation, modification, or deletion of sections, lessons, and tests. It also logs key student-related activities, such as registration, payments, account blocking, or removal. In addition, any updates to course access settings are recorded, ensuring full control and visibility over all course operations.